Custom GPTs can be hugely powerful for repetitive tasks, like in this case, ad copy for Google, which is something marketers have to do fairly often, yet they need to make sure they stay compliant and they stay within the platform restrictions of characters that they need to make sure they're both policy compliant and also adherent to the restrictions of the number of characters that they need to be within. Yet, generating these ad copy variations used to take a ton of time, and this can be accelerated significantly through a custom GPT. Generating ad copy for Google is something that took a lot of time and effort just because you had to flesh out a lot of details. You had to flesh out the right messaging. You had to make sure the messaging was compliant. You had to make sure the messaging stayed within the limits of Google's characters. You had to make sure the messaging stayed within Google's character limits. Uh, and this is exactly the kind of task that can be made massively more efficient with a custom GPT. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make one. Now, these are the instructions that I'm giving to the custom GPT. Basically, making sure the custom GPT is not using exclamation marks. It's going to provide direct response focused content. And this is going to be tailored to the app's features and target audience's interests. Now, what's also important in making a custom GPT is to provide examples so that the custom GPT knows and understands exactly what kind of output will, so that it does not go off on tangents. So I've given here an example for a game. In this case, it's an idle game. These could be the different groups for an idle game. This is a wellness app. These could be the different ad groups for a wellness app. And with each of these, for each of these ad groups, we want to generate different messaging so that we can reach the different audience segments that are available to us. Through this structure, we intend to reach every different kind of user that may be interested in our game or a wellness app. And here's where we specify the character limits for the headlines and descriptions. We specify the output format. Ideally, this is in a table so that you can copy paste this in a spreadsheet, or you can copy paste this directly into Google. This is very critical because you want to specify the kind of output you want so that that is what the AI provides to you. What you also want to do is provide examples so that the AI understands what kind of tonality you're looking for, what kind of formatting you're looking for your output. And here you go, the different ad groups for your wellness app and your gaming app. And you end with a recap for the instructions that you want to give the AI. Now you have this custom GPT, which you can basically test drive. Here's an example that if you want it. Now let's take this custom GPT for a test drive. Here you go. It has identified 3 different kinds of users, and it's giving us ad groups for each of these 3 kinds of users. You could certainly ask for more if you wanted to, but this is a great place to start. I hope this helps you come up with great ad copy for yourselves. I hope this helps you come up with great ad copy for your Google ads. Follow me here for more insights like this.